the land will play a role in surviving an economic collapse. But he's not sure what that might entail in Costa Rica, especially if Doomsday follows him there. So, to help prepare his family, Kevin has brought in Marjorie Wildcraft, an expert in sustainable living.
So when you get to Costa Rica, there's going to be a whole lot of foods that you've never tried before. And I got some today with really special foods. These guys are mealworms.
Do you want to eat it?
Now, actually, where you're going to go live in Costa Rica is in the tropics, and insects grow really big there. It really is a viable food source.